guys, welcome back to my channel Style with Pooja. I hope you guys are doing really good and great. So guys, as you know, lockdown is still going and many people have have the shortage of their essentials as well. So what you can do is you can go to the purplle.com and you can purchase all your essentials, because I've told you in my previous videos as well that purplle.com is actually delivering the essentials only, because essential is something which you cannot skip, which you cannot avoid. So yes, purplle.com is delivering. First, let me share with you that what is purplle.com. Before that, guys, this video going to be in English itself, because many people have requested me that they cannot understand Hindi, so they wanted me to speak English so that even they can understand it. So yeah, this video will be in English. So what is purplle.com? Purplle.com is a website or a site you call as, like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and etc. These sites delivers many products like clothing and everything, but purplle.com is mainly focused on skincare products, essential products, and body supplements or the makeup products as well. And the main product which actually purplle.com sells is the Good Vibes product. Good Vibes product is that product which you won't get anywhere. This is exclusively, it only been targeted only in the purplle.com, and anywhere else, not in the shop, not anywhere in any of the .com, you won't get Good Vibes product. It is only available in purplle.com. So yeah, this time I have purchased so many products from purplle.com. Some were essential, some I just wanted to try it and give the review definitely. So I have purchased about more than 3,000 plus. One box have received today and remaining 2 box I'll be receiving in 1 week. So now the question for the people is what? The question for the peoples are that, people are that, can we order something in this lockdown period? Is it good, safe, and etc etc. They have many questions. Definitely you will have questions in this situation where coronavirus is actually spreading up everywhere. So guys, don't worry. How I've actually got the product, got the parcel was, I've not took the parcel directly from the person who was delivering it. I've asked that person to keep outside my house itself. I will take it later on. So once the person went, what I did was I have sprayed sanitizer all over the box and kept it almost 2 hours outside. Then again I have actually sprayed the sanitizer and kept it in the sunlight for almost half an hour, because sunlight heat will actually remove all the bacteria and virus. So that I have actually sprayed the sanitizer and kept in the sunlight, and after half an hour I have took the products inside, and inside I have not sprayed anything for any bottle, because I think it will be hygienic. If not at all, then after the video I will definitely sanitize them also before using the products. Okay, so in this vlog you will be seeing one part. The next part will be within a week. So next week you will be seeing a second part of the purple haul. I hope you guys are really excited, because I'm really excited. I have purchased so many products which is so new to me, and I'm actually going to try those products and give a separate review for all the products. Yeah guys, all the products. You just ping me down in the below comment section that which product review you want on a first basis. Due to majority, I will definitely share my reviews with you guys. I will start using that product first. So let's see what I have purchased from purplle.com. Without any further ado, let's get started. Morning I have received this much big box. Okay, and I'm just going to share each and every product with you guys. These packets I've actually opened in the morning, so I've actually received so much of packaging. The packaging of the products were so good. Even in this lockdown time, the packaging was exclusively good. So I particularly started liking purplle.com because of their pricing and the products which they work, and packaging, delivery time, everything is it's very good. So that I would recommend you, if you are searching for any essentials, you can definitely go and purchase from purplle.com. And one more thing guys, like recently when I was ordering this product, I've actually joined the Elite, and it was around 200, but it was good for for 1 year membership. It is really good for 200. Like any product above 149, you will definitely get a free shipping, and you don't want to pay any shipping for 1 year. That was really good, and you will be getting so much discounts on the products, and free products, everything will be very good. So I've experienced this product in my the next order which I have placed, and I'm going to share that what I've got on a free basis as well in the next video. So let's start what I've purchased. So guys, I have purchased some 4 toners here, and the first toner which I have purchased is the Good Vibes Green Tea Glow Toner. I think you can see it. It is a Good Vibes Green Tea Toner. This toner basically works for the acne prone skin. As you can see my face right now, like so many acnes are there, or the spots and everything. So I'm acne prone skin person, so I've ordered this for myself, like because of acne. I thought of like trying these. Last time I've purchased neem, tulsi, everything. So this time I've purchased green tea toner. Okay. And the packaging contains about 120 ml with the pricing of 175 rupees, and I've purchased this for some 120 or something. Whatever is the pricing I've purchased, I will be linking down in the description box, so you can definitely go and check out. I personally love Good Vibes toner, so this time I've tried something new. Last time I purchased 5 toners from there, like 2 mist and 3 toners. This time I've purchased again 2 toners and 1 mist from Good Vibes itself. The next thing which I've purchased is the Honey Glow Toner, again from the Good Vibes. Honey is also good for the brightening skin effect and like hydrated skin effect, and even good for the acne prone skin again. So I've purchased this, and I think this will be good. I don't know, I have to try it. And it also have the same packaging, same pricing and everything. Then I have purchased Abs Goodness Licorice Toner. I've purchased this Abs Goodness Licorice Toner. The packaging, if I see, the bottle, if I see, it is quite okay. Like it's not comparatively good with the Good Vibes product. It's like a normal serum bottle that you get outside, and the color of the licorice toner is also something very, very different. I don't know whether it will work great or not, because first time I'm purchasing Abs Goodness product this time. Like in my vlog itself, you will find only Abs Goodness and mostly Good Vibes product only. So yeah, it comes in 100 ml packaging, and with the pricing of 125 rupees, I got for 99 rupees. For 99 rupees, I think this is good. I don't know. Licorice is something which makes your skin really brighten up effect. So you can definitely try if you have a tanned skin or very dull and dry skin. You can definitely try. Even oily skin can try the licorice toner. Then I have purchased one face mist from Good Vibes. This is the lavender and mint refreshing face mist. This face mist I will be using as a setting spray or before makeup only, not on a daily basis. I'll be using it only before makeup. Oops, sorry. Okay, this comes in 50 ml. I love the packaging of this face mist. Like 2 already I've used. Packaging is so pretty packaging. The price of the this is 150 rupees for 50 ml, which I think kind of a bit expensive for the product, but it works really great. So I've actually ordered it again, and this product I've ordered for the first time. Like this flavor I've ordered for the first time, so let's see how it works. So guys, the next product which I have ordered is the banana conditioner. In my old purple blog also I've purchased banana conditioner. In this blog also I've purchased the Good Vibes banana conditioner. It is like 120 ml for 175 rupees, and I've got for some 150 rupees or something. I don't know, I don't remember. So this product really works great as a conditioner, because few people who don't want to use any DIY mask or like DIY banana mask, they feel so irritated up, then you can definitely go with this banana hair conditioner. Keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. I keep it for 5 minutes, then I wash it. I don't apply it on my scalp, I apply on my hair length, and it works really great. And after washing my hair, like my hair feels so frizz-free, so bouncy, and so smooth and straight. So because of that, I've ordered again. So all the product link will be in the description box, guys, so you can definitely go and check out there. Okay guys, the next product which I have purchased is the coffee face wash. It is again from the Good Vibes. It is oil control face wash. Coffee is something which actually make you feel so refreshing. So that's why I've started tried this product. I don't know how it will work. I'm definitely gonna share each and every product review with you guys, so that only I have actually purchased so much of products, because I don't used to purchase this much of products, but due to review purpose I have purchased so many new skincare products. So let's see how it works. And because of you I'm purchasing all those products, so do let me know that how you have liked this vlog and the products, and which product review you want on a first basis, so that I can actually, give a review of that first. Then I have purchased a papaya gel. Like last time when I purchased the products, I've got free 10 ml papaya gel, 10 gram of papaya gel. So when I've started using the papaya gel, I've started using it recently, and I felt like that gel is working great on my face. Like I'm feeling so refreshing after applying that papaya gel. So I thought of like trying one more. So I have purchased this for 50 gram this time. Last time it was for 10 ml. This is for the 50 gram. I don't know how to show you. It is for the 50 gram. This is the papaya gel. I think it is visible on the camera. And it retains for 175 rupees. I again purchased it for 130 rupees or something. The packaging is really good, but I think if it will be in tube size for 50 gram or something, it will be really handy, because every time you can, take your fingers and apply it rather than directly using a tube. So only one thing which I have not liked in the gel form, like I don't like gel form in the box, rather than I like it is in tube. Okay, so next product here I have purchased is the Good Vibes Plus from Plus brand, Plus range. I have purchased the Tea Tree Plus Mulberry Oil Control and Skin Glow Serum. So as you know, my skin is really oily, so that I have purchased this. And the direction of this is basically you have to apply daily on your skin and just massage it. I will be applying it on a daily basis, I guess, but not for 7-8 days, because I am going to have a challenge video, skincare challenge video. So I'll be doing it later on. I'll be applying it later on. It comes in 10 ml packaging, guys, and the price is 275 rupees. Yeah, it was a bit costly. I purchased this for 210 or 220 rupees. I purchased this, and guys, inside it is like this. The product is only till here. Okay, I don't know why it is. Maybe only for 10 ml it comes like this. I don't know, but it came with a dropper. Definitely without a dropper you can't use the serum. And only 2 or 3 drops a day, or 6 drops a day, because you are using it on a daily basis, morning and night. Then also it will be like sufficient for 1 or 2 months definitely. So I've loved the packaging of this. Then comes the another serum. This is the Rosehip Radiant Glow Face Serum. It comes in 10 ml packaging again, and the pricing of it is 250 rupees. I've purchased for 180 rupees or something. And it also comes, it is still here. It is actually thicker than the tea tree one, as you can see. And it also comes in a what do you call this, dropper, definitely. Okay, essential oil products, and the packaging, I actually like it. Okay, so guys, the next product here is the essential oil for age defining. This is the combo essential oils. I hope it is visible in the camera. Okay, this essential oil I have purchased for about rupees 320 or 340 rupees, and it comes with 4 essential oils. There is a rosemary, geranium, frankincense, and lemongrass. Sorry, I'm pronouncing it wrong because I'm hearing some things for the first time. Okay, I have ordered some lemongrass for me, because lemongrass also works great on your skin for a glowing purpose or something. One thing I've actually not liked in the product was like there are 4 essential oils in the product, but the dropper which they gave was only one dropper and 4 products. See, 1 dropper and 4 products is there in this box. So this is a quite disappointing one when I opened. This is the 5 ml product. The size of the product I'll show you. You can see on smaller than even a ring finger. Okay, this is the lemongrass. For each essential oil, I'll be sharing with you my personal review about this product, because I'm going to use it in my DIYs as well. So I've actually ordered these products, these essential oils, because DIYs are must. And I was not having any essential oils recently because I was not interested in purchasing, but now I think I have to purchase and make some DIYs, some good DIYs as well. So yeah. In this box it retains for 425 rupees, and I have purchased for 320 or 340 rupees, which I think was good pricing only. So guys, these were the products which I have received in the box. Apart from that, I've received this honey gel. This is the honey gel. It is 10 gram sample gel. Last time I got only this much as the papaya gel, and this time they gave me honey gel, and they are tempting me to purchase honey gel on the next purchase if I'm definitely liking these products. Means you can see. Okay, so these were the products, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14 products are there in this box. So all the 14 products review I'm going to definitely share with you guys. Okay, so that was all about. I hope you have liked these products. Which product you like and want me to review first? I'm telling this again and again, so that comment down in the comment section below, so that I can actually work on the product. I apply those products on my face and let you know guys the perfect review for that with the demo as well. So that was all about for today's video. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you like it, make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the small bell icon right there, so that you won't miss any new videos from my side. And yeah, don't forget to watch the part 2 of the purple vlog. Meet you in my next video. Till that, take care and tata.